Hi, my name is Tonya Schulte and I'm with the Profit Constructors, where we help you run with the big dogs. If you're using Knowify together with QuickBooks Online, you've probably had this moment. You run a report in Knowify. You run a report in QuickBooks Online, and the numbers don't match. At that point, most contractors assume something must be broken. Maybe the integration failed. Maybe someone entered something wrong. Maybe one of the systems can't be trusted. But most of the time, none of those things are actually the problem. The reality is that Knowify and QuickBooks Online are built to do two different jobs. Knowify is designed to manage projects, job costing, work in progress, project performance. QuickBooks Online is designed to manage the financial books of the company as a whole. Because they serve different purposes, the numbers won't always look exactly the same. Sometimes the difference is something simple. For example, a client or vendor name might not match exactly between the two systems. If one system says XYZ Corporation and the other says the XYZ Corp, the integration may treat them as two different entities and create duplicates. Other times the difference comes from how WIP and job costing are calculated. Knowify is built to show real-time project information, while QuickBooks is focused on the financial picture of the entire business. And sometimes discrepancies happen because transactions were entered separately in both systems instead of letting the integration handle the flow. Here's where this becomes a real problem. When the numbers don't match, contractors start second-guessing their reports. Decisions get delayed. Financial conversations get harder than they should be. The solution isn't creating more reports to investigate the difference. The solution is alignment. That means making sure the integration is connected, making sure names match between systems, and making sure there's clarity with your accounting team about what gets posted where. For example, many companies choose to post overhead only in QuickBooks Online, while Knowify is focused strictly on job costs. Other companies choose to run overhead through Knowify as well. Either approach can work, but the key is that the workflow has to be designed intentionally so everyone understands how the systems are meant to work together. This is actually a big part of the work that our team does. We design Knowify and QuickBooks Online sync and reconciliation workflows so contractors know exactly how information should flow between the two systems and how to verify that everything is working correctly. When the systems are aligned, the confusion disappears. Because clarity doesn't come from more reports. Clarity comes from systems that are aligned and data that flows the way it should. And that's exactly the kind of work we help construction companies get right.